Hey everyone, it's Josh back with another video, and today I'm going to show you the fireworks I'm going to be using for tonight, New Year's Eve. So first of all, hold on a second. I've got Monster Festival balls. I've got about 12. And then I've got the tube for it. And I will be shooting this stuff off tonight. Got some punks, or whatever you call them, I don't remember. Help you light your fireworks off if you're scared of using a lighter, like me. Got sparklers. I've got some smoke bombs, a few different ones. I got neon ones, then I got this 12-pack, I think. I got some tanks. A few more bigger punks. Got my whoops. I've got my galactic double star balls, but I got more than that. I've got my triple break shells, got my double break shells, and I got quad break shells. And then these are the two tubes I'm going to be using for. I've got my double up, and then I got my king quad. Those are the tubes I will be using with the galactic double star box that I've got. And after that, I've got my rocket tube, used to shoot rockets. I was going to bring my mini canes, but I don't have anything to put them in. Yeah, so I don't have anything to put them in. I'm going to be bringing a few Roman candles. Got my rockets over here. I'm going to probably bring, heck, I don't know. I'm probably going to bring like 10, 20 rockets. First off, I've got these four. Got some red peony with chrysanthemum. That's what these are. These are golden wave and crackle. These are green peony with crackling. I've got, let's see here, chrysanthemum. I've got three different, these are just small rockets. This is just some assorted smaller rockets. Or maybe these are the medium-sized ones. I can't really remember. This is all supposed to be for 4th of July, but I didn't have enough time. I've got all my peonies, red peony, silver peony. Let's see, purple and blue. Those are all the peony rockets. I've got my 4 green wave with time. These are just some more assorted ones. Some of these things I used to have taped up together in the same one, but they all like fell apart somehow from 4th of July. And then I've got this 3 smaller rockets sorted. And then I've got the 4, nope, never mind, 2 of the red green with peony. Got 2 of those. I've got 2 red with white glittering peony. I've got a bunch of just assorted little Screaming Rockets, Samurai, and Texas Pop Rockets. I like those things. They're cool. Then I've got some white glitter rockets. Got a few more little rockets just laying around. Sadly, I'm not using all of my stuff now to get to the Roman candles. I've got some armor shots, ammo shots, sorry, 10 shots each. I've got a few other ones, let me see, 3 10-ball Roman candles, that's kind of a weird name, but well. And I got blue to orange 10-shot candle, one of those. I've got a bunch of these bunch more camo shots. A bunch more. I don't know what the hell that is. Got some Boomtown, 10 shots. Got some 10-ball with tail, 2 of those, 10 shots each. Hence the name of the thing. Got some cherry on top candles, and I got another camo shot. Got a few more cherry on top. Let's see, dragon 10 shot, more camo shots, and a whistling whiplash. See if I'm forgetting any. Am I? Yep. And lastly, but not least, because I'm getting more for 4th of July, but I've got 2 of these 10-shot rainbow candles. And then I've got a few other things over here that I like to show y'all that I'm going to bring. Let's see. Bringing 2 packs of Excalibur shells. Some of the good canisters. Let me get tube. And, is there anything else? And yeah, that'll be about all. See y'all. Thank you very much, and please follow me on Instagram at JoshFishing247 and subscribe to my channel, please, and thank you. Bye.